Hi, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first episode to create a WordPress website using our own custom theme. WordPress is a CMS or content management system that originated as a blogging tool. It runs using PHP and MySQL database. In order to work with WordPress, we need either live server or local server to begin. For this tutorial, I will use a local server, and for that purpose I will use XAMPP. If you don't have XAMPP in your computer, then feel free to download it first. I have added the link in the description below if you want to download and install it. So today I will show you how to download and install WordPress in localhost using XAMPP. We'll then copy one of the theme so that we can customize and add Google font and font awesome. By the end of this course, we will complete building this simple finance website. In the home page, we got header, hero, about block, services block, contact block, testimonial and footer. Then we have a separate about page with some images and content. Then we have services page with some services block, blog page with some post and some comment and forms. Then finally we have contact page with some contact form. If you are interested to see a demo of this website, or if you want to download this project from my GitHub account, then feel free to check the link in the description below. Now let's get started by downloading WordPress. In the new tab, you can type download WordPress. Then you can click on this link and click on this download WordPress button. The current version we'll be using is 5.3.2. Once downloaded, you can open the folder and extract the file. Then you can rename it to finance because that will be my project name. Then you can copy this folder and open your XAMPP folder, and inside this XAMPP folder you can see this htdocs folder. So open that folder and paste it over here. Now let's copy one of the theme so that we can customize later. So open this finance folder, click on WP content, themes, and here you can see 3 default theme. 2020 is the latest one, so let's copy this one and then rename it to finance or whatever your theme you want it to be. Now next step is to turn on our local server. So go back to the XAMPP folder again, and then you can see this XAMPP control. So open this one, and then make sure this Apache and MySQL are started. If not, you can just click on the start button, but in my case it is already started, so we don't have to do anything. Then the next thing we have to do now is to create a new database for this project. We can do it by browsing localhost/phpMyAdmin. then click on database, then you can write a database name. I will write finance2 because I have already got my finance database. So click on create. Our finance2 database is now created. Now the final step is to open new tab and type localhost/finance. So this finance is the project folder, actually this one. So hit the enter key. Then you will get some instruction here to install WordPress. So just click on let's go, and then write the database name over here. In our case it is finance2, and this username, it should always be root, and this password should always be blank, and the rest too, you don't have to worry about anything. Just click on this submit button, then click on run the installation. Now here you can add the site title, which is finance, and then you can add some username and password to log into the admin panel. So I will just select admin as my username and admin as my password. I will confirm use of weak password for this tutorial, but make sure you choose the strong password when you work on your own website. Then add your email address and click on install WordPress. Success. It means WordPress is successfully installed in your local host. Now let's try to log into the admin panel using the username and password we have added. So just click on this login and choose your username and password and click on this login button. This is how it looks. But if you want to open the front end, then hover on this finance and click on widget site. So this is the front page of the WordPress, and this is the admin panel of the WordPress. So currently it is using the 2020 theme, but if you want to change the theme of this site, then go to the admin panel, hover in this appearance, and then click on themes. Then here you can see 4 different themes: 2019, 2017, 2020. This is the current theme that is active, and this is the finance theme that we're gonna use now. But before that, I just want to quickly show you how to change the theme. So let's try to use this 2017. Just hover on that theme and click on activate. So now the active theme is 2017. So if you refresh this site, then you can see 2017 theme now. Okay, but for this tutorial I want to use this finance theme, so I will click on activate button. Refresh this page, but for the time being it looks exactly as the 2020 theme, which is fine because we have copied the 2020 theme. But slowly we'll keep modifying this theme in the upcoming session. But for now I want you to click on this theme detail, and here you can change the screenshot and all of these details. So to change the screenshot, you have to make the PNG image ready. So copy the screenshot and then open your project folder, WP content, theme, and then open the theme that you have created, which is finance, and then paste it over here. You can click on this replace, and then you can do hard refresh, and you can see the screenshot has been changed. So click on theme detail again, and you can see this is the screenshot that we have replaced actually, which is good. Now let's change the detail. So open style.css in your text editor, and then over here you can change all of this information based on your current theme. So I can say my theme name is finance, or I can remove this one, my version is fine, and then I want to change my description to this is my custom WP theme. You can change the tag if you want, finance, custom theme, and so on. Then you can write the author name, and you can change any other information, whatever you like. Then once done, you can go back to your admin panel, refresh them, and then click on theme detail, and you can see all the information has been changed. Lastly, I want to import Google Font and Font Awesome so that I can use them later. So open your header.php, and just before the end of the head tag you can add a link for Google Font and Font Awesome 5. Finally, I want to copy all CSS from my GitHub account because I don't want to spend time on styling since this is a WordPress tutorial. So I will open my style.css, remove everything, and copy the style from my GitHub account. Now let's go to the site and do hard refresh, and now you can see some styling change in our site. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll be working on header and plugin called Custom Post Type UI. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.